sleepover with Sydney and we're on a call with Ronald. Say hi. Ronald's a little shy, but...
Easy.
I'm not.
Emo.
Yeah, of course he's emo.
Mike.
An emo boy.
Mike up.
You only Slenders say that. I hear a lot of Slenders.
I'm not Slender. I hate Slenders. Slenders are
Mike
ugly.
up.
Slenders are fatherless.
Why do you act like that?
Yeah, you kind of do when you're toxic, Sydney.
No, Slenders are always toxic, and I'm toxic, but that doesn't mean I'm Slender. And not.
We've been calling Ronald for like half an hour.
I don't care.
Did I ask? I mean,
Yeah, you just asked me if I asked.
Do you think I care if I ask?
I think you do care if you ask.
But why
There's
are
a new map called Fall Ecomble.
Can I check something on my phone really quickly?
No.
But it's my phone, and I'll tell your mom that I want to go.
Just a
home.
few minutes, please. Okay, don't hang up on
I
Ronald.
would never hang up on him. That's so mean.
You like Ronald?
She doesn't.
Yeah, I don't like you.
I'm joking. It's called a joke. Sydney, don't hang up on
Why
Ronald.
would I do that? That's so mean.
You're mean.
I have Dora.
You're gonna murder Dory. Oh, I said Dory. Oh my gosh, it literally.
Did he hang up?
Ronald?
He's not talking. I think he's deaf.
He's not deaf. Oh, I hear him.
Let me go get the button.
He told us to get the button. I don't know if YouTube heard that.
Let me
But
turn up the volume. See, you didn't turn up the volume all the way.
yeah, turn it up all the way, please. I want to hear Ronald.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, this person right here is
I found
Ronald.
the dog
If you
food.
wanted to know YouTube, this person right here is Ronald, the person that I'm following. Yes, his name is Zai. How do you wait? Can I talk
I'm
to
gonna play
Ronald?
Gotcha Life.
Wait, I want to. Did you hang up on Ronald?
No.
I heard him like moaning.
Got your life sucks.
It's a good way to get followers on TikTok. Stupid.
Don't say that to Ronald.
He literally just said that Gotcha Life sucks.
It doesn't suck. You suck.
No.
What rhymes with suck that starts with an S?
Duck and
Duck does not start with an S, so I guess you have bad grammar.
Duck. What?
Grammarly can help this. Sydney! No! I'm dead.
Too bad.
Ronald?
My favorite game.
Would you pronounce it Zeiss? How would you pronounce your display name?
Zizi.
Zizi my nickname.
Zizi.
Ronald?
Zizi.
Yeah.
How would you pronounce your display name?
I think you pronounce it your mom.
Zeiss? Okay. We pronounce your mom.
Your mom. My mom is your mom.
Your mom is dead.
My mom's alive, stupid.
No, how come I haven't seen her? Then how come she didn't drop you off to the slumber party? And your dad did.
Because my mom's sleeping.
Oh, because she drank too much cum.
No, she's sleeping. She's having problems walking.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did she recently drink any cum?
No, it's very hurtful of you. It's very mean of you. And I don't think I want to be a friend anymore.
I'm sorry, Destiny.
Can we play something fun?
No.
Please.
We are literally making music video. I'm posting this.
Oh, no.
What?
No, because Allison's going to see it and she's going to tell me one more.
Oh, it's fine. Allison won't see it. I'll block her from. I don't know.
No, please.
Fine. Gee. Oh, by the way, Allison is Sydney's annoying sister.
Ugly. Bratty.
Rat.
Why does the word just slip out of my mouth? Like, oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy. I called Allison a brat and starts with an F. And the F
Can we
word.
play my favorite game? It's
Is Ronald still on the call?
I am.
Okay.
You're still recording?
What?
You're still recording?
Yeah. Hola, soy Dora. Hola, soy Dora. Can you help me find the crazy girl named Sydney?
Ooh, I got messages.
Ooh, Ronald's texting you. Ooh, Bailey's texting you. Sydney, I dare you to sing CPR to YouTube.
Ooh, what did I these magic coins?
I saved bees by giving it to me. Wait, remember in Bed Wars? Oh, we were playing Bed Wars.
Magic.
We call
Can you turn off Gotcha Life? I'm sick of hearing this.
Okay.
You can barely hear Ronald. Also.
Ronald? Yay, Ronald here!
Bro, I
Can
was
you
here.
come to my house?
I know you were here the whole time. What?
Can you come to my house?
My mom is gonna be so mad. This room is so messy and stinky.
Stinky, winky, twinky.
Yeah, we're done.
You're done. You're done.
How was I swimming in the lava for a second?
Let's go to a different room.
You're done. Cindy's a Karen.
Yeah,
You're
just
done.
join me.
Okay, YouTube, we're gonna switch servers, so yeah.
No, we're gonna switch games.
Oh, we should do math test.
Oh yeah, I wanna play map test? Okay.
Yay!
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna go in map test, okay?
Bro, that was such a goofy scream.
I know, that was Sydney, not me. No screaming, or my mom will tell your mom to pick you up.
Yay!
You don't wanna have a sleepover?
Yeah.
You sure? You're acting very suspicious.
Mama.
Oh, don't open up the school tabs. No, you're playing the wrong game. You have to join us in our private server, or else you're just gonna go in solo mode. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. My game is really slow.
Sorry.
Oh, wait, let me go my blue because my blue is better.
Wait, what?
Every game.
My blue is better. So give me permissions.
Okay.
I'm joining. That's sorry.
Put the pretty blue moon, please.
Blue mom.
I did.
Sorry, I don't got money.
Oh, once I saw a map called Bruh Moon. Bruh Moon. But that was like in 2020, like.
Bro, how did I even beat Poisonous Chum?
Poisonous Chasm? I can't.
Splash.
It's kind of hard.
I mean, because it is.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna beat Ronald and
I got like the farthest I've gone in Poisonous Chasm was like halfway, but it's like really hard.
Does anyone want to play Bed Wars after I have to do something?
Oh yeah, what do you mean you have to do something? The whole day we're just gonna play Roblox in my bedroom and like have a sleepover till like 3 a.m. and then oopsies, I'm bad.
Oopsies, I'm bad.
Imagine calling someone rude, mean. Like, could never be mean.
You're mean. It's so hot in here.
It could never be mean. Never.
I'm just kidding,
No,
whatever.
I know who is not hot.
Your mom.
No, Allison's not hot.
Who is hot?
Allison's literally ugly. Allison looks like a baby.
You like
What does Ronald look like? I barely saw his face.
I took a screenshot.
No, you didn't. I didn't see you take a screenshot of his face.
Before you came over, I took a screenshot. Screeny.
I look like a monkey.
You don't look like a monkey.
I saw your face and you kind of...
People are racist.
What?
Me?
People are racist.
I'm racist? What? I'm never...
How are you racist? Wait, how's she? If you're racist, you're bullying me because, you know.
Yeah.
You're racist to me?
No.
Sydney just admitted she's racist.
I'm brown and white.
No,
I'm
I'll
mixed.
never do that to
Oh,
you.
I'm brown. I'm just brown.
I'm tan.
I'm brown. What are your parents? My family is brown.
My dad's tan. My mom is Portuguese.
I'm basically the only one on my phone that is actually like, not like completely like.
Aw.
I look like my mom a little bit.
And then, yeah. Okay, sit names. Okay, well, we all died.
What? I'm so bad.
And I have short hair.
Why am I staring at the FaceTime button? Let's FaceTime. Just kidding. Stop swearing.
I do not care. Wait.
Me and Ronald were FaceTiming. Oh, I saw Ronald's face, everybody.
Yeah, I saw Ronald's.
He doesn't look ugly. Like, what?
Yeah,
Oh,
why
they
would
look-
you FaceTime again?
No.
Why? Can I?
Wait, did you see my face, Ronald?
Yes.
I'm not doing a face reveal until I'm open.
I'm gonna face reveal.
Please don't call me ugly. Please.
I won't call you that.
I know.
Only if they're rude to me.
But I was rude to you.
But I was mean to you.
Well,
I'm
then you're
ugly.
What?
You're ugly than Sydney if you were mean to me.
Yeah. Thank you for the compliment.
Sydney takes that as a compliment.
Yeah. You guys want to see
Oh, by the way, my friend joined. Okay, he needs to know that we're kind of like all talking to each other, so we're not really chatting. Or, like,
Tell him
talking.
to stop to leave.
Oh, okay.
Is this guy
He's an
good?
Ugly man.
Wait, what? He's pro. He's
like.
but he's really good at this game. He's my friend.
Leave.
He's better than Sydney, of course.
Everyone's ruder than me.
Ruder?
No,
Ruder? What is ruder?
Me and him are probably gonna.
I'm the rudest of the people.
What is ruder? Ruder is ruder even a word? Okay, let me see. Oh, okay. I didn't know if it was a word. I never hear people say ruder. You're
I'm
ruder
the
than me.
rudest.
Rudest. Okay. Rude.
Then how do you say walking on the rocking chair?
What? That's not a rocking chair. Sydney is breaking my computer chair.
Yay.
It looks like it's about to break and fall apart because of Sydney.
Yay. I'm falling.
You're falling in the black
If I
area.
fall, I'm gonna hit my head on the desk.
Falling in the black void, and then you're gonna die as the black hole sucks you up and then turns you into a pie.
Oh, that's how you turn it on.
Turn what? Oh.
Can we go outside?
We can
It
beat
looks
this. We
nice
can
out.
beat this.
Yeah, we can go outside later. Wait, what?
I want to go outside and
Is Ronald going outside? I'm joking.
I'm gonna find Ronald's house.
What is Ayo? What do you mean?
Hey, yo.
You don't know what it is.
I know what it means. My Bread Wars title is Ayo. It literally is.
Mine says
It
sus.
is?
Yeah.
I
Mine
can beat
says.
this. Expecting me right now.
What? I'll show you in a second.
After do you want to play? Because Bailey said that she wants
Wait,
to
I'm
play in
gonna
half
beat
an
it.
hour. And it was
What?
An hour.
I'm not gonna beat it.
What?
I'm not gonna beat the map.
Too bad.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna beat it!
I hope it dies.
Yay! Yay! Sydney, stop! You're so toxic.
I
Congratulations!
did it. Oh my god.
Good
Congratulations!
job. Bad job.
Sydney, stop. He beat it! I'm so proud! Yay!
My god, I did it.
Yay, we're so proud!
I'm so proud.
Celebration time!
Okay, fine. I'll be
Just because of this crazy game, I wouldn't beat him.
Hmm.
I wouldn't beat him.
Now we can officially say that Ronald is better than me at this game, right?
Now we can officially say that I'm going to be nice for once.
Sydney's gonna be nice to you.
I'm
I
fine.
don't know how to be nice to people though.
Well, you're nice to me.
Only people like you. Fucking hate this.
That's because I'm nice to you. You need to be nice to people if you want them to be nice to
He
you.
was never
Yeah.
nice to me.
No.
Yeah, but
Because you were mean to him first. So if you're nice to someone, they're gonna be nice to you. But if you're mean to them, they're gonna keep being mean to you. So what if you just decide to be nice to them and like end all this drama?
I'm dead.
Your mom.
We do wait, I have to know.
What?
Can we do bed wars?
Bread wars?
Please, I'm bored. And it's rude.
He's not rude.
Actually,
It's rude to be mean to your
But this
guests.
kid
I'm
is
your
a
guest.
why? This
You
guy
want your
is.
guests to leave and be like, I'm done, I'm leaving. I'm gonna jump out the window and leave.
Yeah, I'm gonna push the city out of my window.
This guy.
I'm
This
crying.
guy's
Sydney, go to the window. Wait, how do I open this thing? How do I open it? Sydney, can you try to open the window for me, please?
Okay.
I'm gonna push Sydney out of the window. Oh my god, she's literally trying to open it. She's literally trying to open it. You did it! Wait, no, how do you open that other thing, though?
Wait, you're gonna leave, bro.
I know, I wasn't paying attention.
Magic.
Wow.
You were so cool.
I'm so bad. It's fine, I've won it before. Why did you open my window?
Because you told me to.
We're doing lean.
What?
Can we
Did
play
you
something
leave?
fun?
Lean! Because you're leaning against the map.
Bree, leave. Leave, Bree.
No, you can't tell me what to do.
Yes, I can, because I'm your mother.
You're not my mother. I'm your mother, LOL. I'm your mother, LOL.
Why
Imagine.
does Ronald take forever to do that? It takes him 5 years.
No, he does it really fast, but the game makes it a little slower. Oh, you can't be complaining when you're the one who's falling. Stop swearing.
Will not take your apology.
Sydney is swearing. What?
I can swear when
I'm
I'm
gonna
not.
scream the bird.
Huh? She's swearing?
Okay, never mind.
Ronald, should Sydney be swearing at her age?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Did you mean yes?
If
No.
you want to share, you have to be over 13.
Yeah, she's only 10.
Mm.
And she's swearing.
well,
Her brother is 5 and he literally swears. It's sad. It's really sad.
It's really funny.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you offer that. Oh my god.
Sydney B rating. Sydney B rating. Stop saying the D word. Stop singing CPR.
There's a version.
Tired of the version boy, don't get nervous. Hi, I'm here to serve you customer service. Then I say by giving it CPR.
You say it.
I say by giving.
I found
Tired of the version boy, don't get nervous. Hi.
Here to serve you customer service. Say thick by giving it CPR. I say thick by giving it CPR. Put my mouth on it like CPR. Let's record and watch it on VCR. Tight as a virgin boy.
That doesn't work.
I say thick.
Give me.
Yo,
Break hard like a metal. I've got 3 holes for like a pretzel. Tired of the
Tight as a virgin boy. Don't get nervous. Here to serve you customer service. Say thick by giving it CPR.
I say thick by giving it CPR.
Put my mouth on it like CPR.
Put my mouth on it like CPR.
Tight as a virgin boy. Don't get nervous.
What?
You have to bring their mouth on.
Don't swear. Don't swear. Oh, remember those really inappropriate lines?
Read the South Park lyrics.
Why are they inappropriate?
Yeah, going down South Park, gonna catch myself again.
Sing CPR. Wait. Remember that inappropriate part in in the beginning of the song? It was talking about.
Tight as a virgin boy. Don't get nervous.
You forgot the holes.
Customer service.
I got 3 holes for like a pretzel.
Tight as a virgin boy. Don't get nervous.
I'm here to serve you customer service.
Ronald's still in the car.
Yes, he is. He's listening. He's listening. He's just listening to us sing. Put down the. Don't break the microphone. Oh, this is a JoJo Siwa.
Just I was gonna put it up to here so you can hear me.
Jojo, you are.
I used to like JoJo Siwa, but
I love JoJo.
I tried to smash the microphone. Stop making suspicious noises. Oh wait, remember Ronald's TikTok? I think it said from
How do you
CPR.
not know what CPR is, but you put it on one of your TikTok videos?
Everyone, follow Ronald on TikTok, please do.
Never.
Stop screaming. My mom. No, Sydney, stop. We're gonna get in trouble.
Okay.
The goal is to not get in trouble.
Splish.
Split, splash, go with your tongue. Be quiet. My grandma is sleeping. Pillow fight. Pillow fight. I tried to whack Sydney in the head with the pillow. Don't hang up on Ronald. Oh.
Do this.
If you hang up on Ronald, I'm gonna be mad.
Ronald, talk.
No.
It worked.
He doesn't have to talk. You can't force someone to talk, you know. Oh, by the way, Ronald, if Sydney is putting the microphone near her phone so that the YouTube can hear you better. That's all.
Yeah.
Stop. He doesn't want to. He's shy.
I thought you were gonna hit me with it.
Wait, Ronald, are you shy? Ronald, are you shy?
No.
I'm trying.
I'm just not talking.
Okay, we're sorry. I'm sorry about Sydney. I'm really sorry about her. Wait, am I still recording? Wait, what? Why did it say system? Your mom. Stop saying ooh woo. Your mom. Sydney, why do you have that face on your avatar? Just
Because I'm
why?
laughing all the time.
Yeah, then use the laughing fun face. It looks much better.
This one looks better.
You sure? Here, let's turn on people. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that face. Okay, it's fine. I kind of like it, you know. Shut up, Sydney. Shut up, Sydney. Subscribe if you want Sydney to shut up.
Why does it sound like we're not on a call with Ronald?
He's still here. Can't you see?
It looks
We've been calling for like almost an hour.
okay, and did you know that Bailey wants to play Bedwars right now? Yes, she does.
Wait, if we can call Ronald, secretly call Ronald, we can secretly call Bailey. Not now. I want to be on
I got it.
Ronald.
I was about to beat it.
You're about to beat it? Congratulations.
No, I was about to beat it.
It took me forever to do this shit.
I know, you're about to beat it again, but still, congratulations.
Wait, can we try beating it?
I don't know, Lean is pretty hard. I'll try. Subscribe and like the video if you want Sydney to shut up.
Come.
She said come. You know that come rhymes with yum, right?
Yummy cummy!
I recommend not watching this video if you're like a younger child because
Allison's a young child. I can't watch it.
she's gonna hear the come.
The cummy things we said. The yummy things we said.
Wait, did you know that my parents watch my channel? So I don't know if I should post this.
Don't post it. Keep it in your drafts.
Draft?
Delete it then.
No, I like this. I'll just send it. No. Should I send it?
Oh, I
Send it to me and I'll keep it.
always use
Okay.
shift left when you're climbing something. Because I think it's way faster. It's got to get
Okay, thanks, Ronald.
I
Wait,
heard Bailey saying that she has a crush on Ronald.
no, stop lying.
I can't joke. I can't joke.
You can't shut up?
No? No? No?
Do you want me to reset? Okay, let's reset.
Yeah.
The lava tastes great, don't you think? I cannot. Shut up! I cannot hear Ronald. I cannot hear Ronald.
If it gets too long, it's gonna take like a lot of time to post.
Long.
Long,
A long day.
longer. Wait, Sydney. Do you think Ronald has?
He's too young.
What?
He's too young.
What do you mean he's too young?
Only you like your
Ronald,
What?
do you have?
No.
See? Told ya.
Okay,
End the video.
end it.
Yes.
Say bye. Bye, Felicia. I mean YouTube. Bye.
Say bye.
Ronald, say bye.
You ended?
No, I need you to say bye.
Say bye.